Black-owned banks are more than just financial institutions. They are essential pillars of economic empowerment for Black communities, providing access to capital and trust that larger businesses often fail to deliver. Despite facing systemic challenges, these banks play a crucial role in the fight against economic inequality. As of 2024, Black-owned banks make up less than 1% of all FDIC-insured institutions in the U.S., with about 20 to 22 active Black-owned banks in operation. While they are not playing on the exact same scale as J.P. Morgan, Citi, or Bank of America, they are absolutely feeling the squeeze in their own way. Pressure points for Black-owned banks: lower capital reserves. Many Black-owned banks operate with smaller balance sheets and thinner profit margins, so any economic downturn or loss of depositors hits harder and faster.
DEI, climate, and corporate pullbacks. Some major corporations have quietly walked back commitments made in 2020 post-George Floyd, and that means less money going into CDFIs, which includes many Black-owned banks. Pressure points for Black-owned banks: lower capital reserves. Many Black-owned banks operate with smaller balance sheets and thinner profit margins, so any economic downturn or loss of depositors hits harder and faster. Limited access to capital. They often struggle to access private equity or investor funding compared to large commercial banks. When interest rates rise or liquidity tightens, they can't lean on the same cushion. Community dependency. These banks are usually deeply tied to their local communities. If a DEI backlash leads to loss of public contracts, grants, or partnerships, that can crush long-standing programs like first-time homebuyer assistance or small biz lending.
To ensure the success of Black-owned banks, continued support is essential. Policymakers, larger financial institutions, and community advocates must come together to provide stable capital, strategic partnerships, and greater outreach, ensuring these vital institutions can effectively continue closing the racial wealth gap. For Black-owned banks themselves, strategic technological adoption and modernization, investing in or partnering for better digital banking platforms, mobile apps, and fintech solutions to compete, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experience. This is crucial for attracting and retaining younger customers. Product diversification and innovation. Expanding beyond traditional lending to offer more diverse financial products, wealth management for emerging affluent customers, microloans, specialized business advisory services, tailored to community needs, enhanced risk management and underwriting, developing sophisticated yet inclusive underwriting models,